In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between accounts on eBay. Perfect for beginners. Whether you're managing a personal account alongside a business one, or just juggling multiple profiles, knowing how to seamlessly switch between them is invaluable. Let's dive in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, let's start with logging out of your current eBay account. This is a crucial initial step because eBay, like most platforms, allows only one active session per browser window. To log out, go to the top of the eBay homepage where you'll see your name or profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Sign Out. This action ensures that you have a clean slate before accessing a different account. Once you've successfully logged out, you'll be directed to eBay's main landing page. Now you're ready to enter the login details for your other account. You'll notice the Sign In button prominently displayed, usually in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to open the login page. Here, you'll need to enter the email address and password associated with the eBay account you wish to access. It's always a good idea to double-check that you've typed these correctly. If you have multiple accounts, consider keeping login details in a secure password manager for accuracy and security. After you've entered the necessary login details, proceed by clicking on the Sign In button. This will take you into your other account, where you can manage listings, view purchases, or carry out any other tasks you need to address. Once you've signed in, take a moment to verify that it's the correct account by checking a few pertinent details, such as your username or recent activity. This is a simple way to avoid accidentally mixing up information between accounts. If you find that you need to switch accounts often, you can repeat this process as many times as necessary. Log out, enter the next set of login details, and sign in again. Although this might seem repetitive, it's worth noting that taking these steps ensures each session is handled securely and efficiently. As a quick tip, if account switching is a frequent task for you, consider using different browsers or incognito mode to manage multiple sessions simultaneously. This way, you save a bit of time without compromising on security, and that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily manage and switch between different eBay accounts without any hassle. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and happy eBaying!